Hey Linda, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be reviewing a contact lens brand, and the brand that I'm gonna be reviewing is called Anma Beauty. In case if you are someone who's a contact lens wearer like me, and if you guys want to know what my experience with this brand has been, then please continue watching. Quick disclaimer, Anma Beauty did reach out to me a few months ago and they were like, hey, we like your content, would you like to try our contact lenses and share your honest opinion with your subscribers? And I was like, why not? Because I am someone who loves wearing contact lenses. A, because my eyesight is pretty bad, if I'm going to be honest. B, I love experimenting with contact lenses. I feel like just like makeup, how you can experiment with different eyeshadows, I feel like wearing different colored contact lenses can also, add and elevate your eye look a little bit more. Third is because I was any which ways looking to invest in new contact lenses because the ones that I was using previously were about to expire. So yeah, it all happened at the right time. I'm just really grateful and thankful for Anma Beauty for sending these lenses to me. Having said that, even though the lenses were sent to me by the brand itself, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys when it comes to my experience. First, I'm gonna give you guys a little info on this brand. So Anma Beauty is a brand based in Hong Kong, at least that's what I was able to find out on their website, and they claim to be a lens supplier to pretty much all the big brands. They also offer free worldwide shipping for orders over $27. They asked me to pick 6 different pairs of contact lenses and obviously they would ship it to me. I'm gonna take you guys through them one by one. Before I show you guys all the lenses that I got, I like wearing contact lenses which have more of a brown or hazel tone or which looks more natural. Grays, olives and all these different tones, I mean, I am not a sucker for it. They don't look that good on me. So all the contact lenses that I picked are mostly in the brown color category. So yeah, first one is Exuberant Peach Blue. These lenses have a mixture of pink and grey, and it also has a little bit of sparkle in it, which adds such a cool element. Although in the picture it looks very dramatic, but surprisingly it doesn't. That is the case with a lot of lenses that I ordered. On the website itself, the lenses look intense, but in reality when you wear them, they look pretty natural. Next, I have Nightfall California. Now these lenses are super natural. It has a hint of hazel and also a charcoal black on the outer rim, and it looks so natural on the eyes. I knew I wanted to pick a contact lens that I can wear on a daily basis when I'm not filming, and I just want like a little pop of color but without being like, oh, I've got lenses on. And this definitely is one of those lenses which looks so natural. Really do like this one. Next up is Lychee Hazel. These ones have a blue outer rim and it has hints of pink and hazel in the center, and the design of it is very uneven, giving it a very natural look. I was actually very intimidated because it looks way out of my comfort zone, but surprisingly it does not look like bam on your face at all. Blends with your natural eye color seamlessly, and I do really like this color as well. Next up is Honey Ninny Brown. First of all, it has a very cute name. So this is one of those dramatic looking lenses, but it's still in my comfort zone because it has hints of brown and dark brown in it. It is also an enlarging contact lens, so it makes your pupils look a little bit bigger than it actually is. It complements my skin tone and my eyes really well. Okay, so I've saved the best for last. It's in the shade Sweetheart Gold. These contact lenses, they remind me so much of Twilight because it is brown in color but it has sparkle all over it and it looks so magical. It is a kind of contact lens which does not look natural. It still is not as intimidating as you would think it is. Once I was done picking out all the lenses that I wanted, which was very difficult by the way, I communicated with the person who was in touch with me via email for the collab. I told them, okay, I want this lens, and I got a confirmation email from them on 2nd of March saying that they have shipped my order. But up until 8th of March, I was unable to get any information on the tracking website itself, which was very strange to me. Post 8th March, there was no update till 23rd of March. So I was a little worried as to what happened to the shipment. So I was in touch with the team and they were very cooperative. They were quick with their response. They did share the tracking details and everything, and now it was on the shipping company itself. So there was nothing much that they could do. They just asked me to wait for a few more days to get more updates. After 23rd of May, I was getting regular updates regarding my order. So I received my order on 18th of April. So that makes it almost after 40 days I received my order. I mean, I don't know, I'm not trying to, just take their side here, but I feel like the reason why my shipment got delayed was because they probably have a lot of order to fulfill every day, and since it was a collab, I felt like maybe that's the reason why my shipment was sent out so late, even though I gave them a confirmation quite a while ago. I mean, I don't know the real reason, but I just wanted to keep you guys informed that the shipment did take quite a while. Coming to the review on these lenses, like I mentioned earlier, I was asked to pick 6 pairs, but out of the 6 I only received 5 lenses. When I emailed them regarding the same, they said that one of the lenses got lost in transit, which I did not actually understand that, because all of my other lenses came in one package. So I was a little confused as to why they just packed one lens in a different package. So that did feel a little off, if I'm gonna be completely honest. Once I received the package was packed really well, and it came in like one shape, which hallelujah, I like it when companies pack their products really well, especially if it's coming from overseas, because shipment में ऊपर नीचे कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता है. But surprisingly, my package did not come damaged at all, despite it taking that long. And along with the contact lenses, which comes in these boxes right here, like they also sent a lens holder which holds 6 pairs of contact lenses, a travel friendly lens solution case, a tweezer, and this tiny thingy which I don't know what it's called. I know what it's used for, but I don't know what it's called, so please, so sorry for that. So like I mentioned earlier, I received my order on 18th of April, and today is 15th of May that I'm filming this video. It's been almost a month that I've been trying out and testing these lenses out, and I do have a solid answer to give you guys whether or not I would recommend these lenses to you guys. All these lenses are yearly lenses, and they do have a power to them, because I do wear specs on a daily basis. Naturally, my lenses do have power in them, but in case if you are someone who doesn't wear specs or who doesn't have eye power, then you can also get the non-prescription one. I love the fact that they have such a huge selection of contact lenses. I have tested all of these lenses out regularly, thoroughly, and I've worn these contact lenses for up to 10 hours straight, and they were really comfortable. In case if you are someone who wears contact lenses, you would know that oftentimes contact lenses can be really drying, and you cannot wear a contact lens for so long at a stretch, but these ones were surprisingly comfortable. I liked mostly all of them except one lens. There was a slight inconsistency. The left one was absolutely fine, but the right one I was struggling to get like a clear picture. That was the case only with the Lychee Hazel one, but the rest of them were absolutely fine. Overall, I do really enjoy these lenses. They are super comfortable. They look really natural, surprisingly, despite me picking few dramatic ones. Now, when it comes to my overall experience, I am gonna give it a B+. That's only because of the shipping period, on how long it took for the order to reach me, and because of the inconsistency that I had with only just one lens. If it's gonna be your first time, try placing an order for 1 or 2 lenses, and if you receive your shipment in time and everything goes smoothly, then you can probably place another order. Having said that, their customer service is great. They respond very promptly, which I really do appreciate. And in case if you guys want to try lenses out from these brands, I'm gonna leave a link to it down in my description box below. It is an affiliate link, which means that I would get a certain commission out of it in case if you use that link to place an order. That does not mean that you're gonna have to pay anything extra. Just wanted to be honest with you guys. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful. In case if you did, then don't forget to like this video and also share it with your friends and family. In case if you haven't already, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And while you guys are at it, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I love talking to you guys over DMs. I mean, I really look forward to talking to you over DMs. It's just, I think it's kind of cute. So yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and supporting my channel. It really means the world to me. I love you guys so much. With that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.
Thank you.